Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make these beautiful earrings. Earring is from scratch. First you have to bring your wire, then you clip it, you cut it with your plier. After cutting it, you bend one side before you begin to rub your bead. Then first of all you drop the first, then one side of the beading wire I put 10 there, 2, then I use gold seed bead, the size 2 to separate seed, then 2 I separate, 2 I separate. If you count it now, should be 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then after that you begin to put your white bead pearl. Then after putting it, you have, when put, then you have to separate it with the golden bead. You separate, make it to be 4. Then yes, 1 2 3 4. Then after that you begin to put another bead by that side. It should be 10 to 2 2, separating with the gold bead. 2 2 2 2 2 2, making it 10. Okay, while making the earring, you have to make sure that what you have this side is what you have the other side, so that it will be equal, so that it will not go one side. Then after counting it, after making sure that, yeah, then you have to put your hook for the earring. Then while after putting it, then you use your plier to hold it together, clip it together, clip it very well so that it will not fall out. After that, then you will bring your fishing line. Then once you bring your fishing line, then you cut it into 2, then make it to be equal before you pass it through the bead there. Then after passing it through the bead, then you begin to put your bead one after the other. But the bead that we are to put here is the golden one. Look at it here. If you count, this thing is up to 19. Is 19. Then after that, then you pass it through this place. Now you watch out how I pass it. Then once you pass it, this one will form. This particular one will form. Then hold it tightly. Then after that, you pass your fishing line again to this place. Then you pass it. Then once you pass it through that place, you hold it tight. Hold it tight. Then after that, then after that, then you put your beads again, count it, and pass it through the middle. Pass it through here to form another design. Look at it. You can call it R, you can call it K, anyone that you like. All I know is that this is what just came into my mind to just design.